Here are 5 steps to your DJing. Step 1. Clean your library. DJs at their core are music selectors, and the primary objective for any DJ is to get people dancing by choosing the right songs at the right time. In the past, this task was straightforward. DJs were limited to the music they could purchase and bring to an event. However, with the emergence of DJ record pools, streaming services, and audio ripping websites, it's now easier than ever to blindly download and accumulate an extensive music collection. Simply put, the more content you have in your DJ library, the more cluttered it becomes, making it increasingly challenging to find that perfect song for that perfect moment. So take the time to analyze your library and clean it up. Either delete unnecessary tracks or organize them into playlists. By doing this, you'll find it much easier to DJ and select the right songs when the time comes. Step 2. Practice. There's a bunch of things that we are told to do every day for our benefit. Exercise, drink enough water, get 8 hours of sleep, and if you're in a creative field, practice. And just like flossing and exercising, practicing daily can be hard to start and feel near impossible to do consistently. The reason it's so hard to motivate ourselves to develop a daily practice habit is that the benefits can seem hard to define and distant. However, if you want to thrive in this oversaturated industry and truly distinguish yourself from every other DJ out there, mastery is the key. And for me, you cannot call yourself a DJ if you do not DJ consistently. But don't just practice blindly and prioritize volume over quality. Practice deliberately, focusing on precisely which skill you want to hone and master. Through daily practice, you refine your ability to discern nuances like EQ frequencies, effect depths, and other factors influencing transitions. This heightened awareness not only contributes to improving your transitions, but also lays a foundation for crafting your distinctive signature style. Step 3. Adapt. The landscape of DJing has undergone a profound transformation in the last decade. Technological advancements have propelled DJing to unprecedented heights. Furthermore, the availability of free educational content has resulted in an influx of DJs intensifying competition to unprecedented levels. All these changes in this now highly saturated environment have sparked a new demand for DJs not just to be skilled, but to be exceptionally distinctive. So the sad truth is, succeeding as a DJ today requires more than just musical talent. DJs now need a multifaceted skill set to navigate this new landscape. The rise of digital platforms and streaming services have shifted industry dynamics, emphasizing the importance of online presence and social media influence. DJs, in essence, function as brands, demanding proficiency in content creation, branding, and marketing. Consider the current crop of thriving DJs. What sets them apart? What makes them memorable? It's not merely their ability to transition from track A to track B. No, it's their distinctive branding each of them possesses. So if you aspire to reach those heights, it requires setting aside pride and undertaking what needs to be done. If you neglect to do so, rest assured that someone with even greater ambition will step in and seize all the opportunities that could have been yours. Step 4. Invest in yourself. If you're lucky enough to know what you want to do for the rest of your life, there is no better thing you can do than to give yourself the best opportunities to succeed. We already know that the DJ industry is a competitive place, so in order to reach your goals, it is vital to continually learn new skills and improve your craft. So, invest. Invest in gear so that you can DJ better and more freely rather than being crippled by current gear's set of limitations. Invest in learning so that you can improve your skills and better take advantage of what you have. And invest in good quality music like a DJ record pool, because that is the lifeblood of any DJ's career. Now, don't assume that pouring money into these elements will automatically elevate your DJ skills. Ultimately, it boils down to your determination and resourcefulness to maximize what you already possess. While investing money might provide a quick sense of progress, it can also turn into a convenient excuse to avoid the real effort needed for success, and that entails putting in the work. Step 5. Take care of yourself. The unpredictability of making a living from DJing, the challenges of navigating the music industry, and the constant pressure to hustle make it easy for issues such as stress, burnout, low self-esteem, anxiety, and depression to creep in. As DJs, we often fail to draw a line between our work and our identity. When we experience criticism or setbacks in our music career, which almost always stems from someone's subjective point of view, we see them as personal failures. As a result, our self-esteem and consequently our mental health tend to suffer. Adding to these challenges is a toll taken on our bodies, especially on our ears when we practice, go out, and DJ for hours on end. All these factors combined can be overwhelming for anyone. But if you truly want to have a long career, you need to start taking care of yourself. And you can easily do so by doing the following things. Pro DJs like James Hype and Laidback Luke employ these practices all the time to stay at the top. Doing those things not only helps one's mental health, but also enables one to do their best DJing ever. But if you guys really want to take your transitions and performances to the next level and not destroy your ears or waste time in the process, check this video over here to learn the 3 most important techniques for pro DJing.